Swihondzo swa vuhaxi bya xikhale swo hetelela swi timiwile eNorthwest. Mfumo wu sungule ku tima vuhaxi bya xikhale kusukela hi lembe ra 2006. Vuhaxi bya manguva lawa bya digital byi tirhisa ti-set-top boxes kumbe ti-decoder. Mfumo wu tinyiketele ku pfuna mindyangu leyi pfumalaka hi ku va phakela ti-set-top box leti. Mindyangu leyi nga ta vuyeriwa hi leyi holaka R3,500 hi n'hweti ku ya ehansi. Ku kuma ti-set-top box leti vaaki va fanele ku tsarisa eposweni.
If they come and register, we said we will assist them. But if they do not register, we'll continue with the switch off, and when they come after the switch off, we'll still assist them, but then we'll assist them after the switch off. So we're still making a call out to South Africans to come and register to be assisted. We have the capacity to assist everybody.
Holobye Ntshavheni wa tshemba leswaku mfumo wu ta heta pfhumba leri hi siku leri nga vekiwa ra 31 hi n'hweti ya Nyenyankulu lembe ra 2022.
What's important for us is that this opportunity to switch off and they move to switch off and meet the deadline of the 31st of March allows our country to reap the digital dividend and be on same par with the technological advancements across the world and allow us to move to a digital economy.
Kasi technology analog le ay tirhisiwa khale sweswi ta tirhisiwa ka tifoni.
We are going to take the spectrum now and license it through an auction to mobile telecommunications companies. What that will assist with is the provision of service from a wider coverage perspective, because the sub-1 gig spectrum is good for coverage, and that's the same spectrum that broadcasters have been utilizing for analog.
Van'wana vaaki a va se titsarisa loko van'wana va sungula ku tirhisa vuhaxi lebyi.
We applied for it yesterday. The minister gave us a number to call if it's not activated. It's only a day since it was activated. I'm hopeful the pictures will be clear on TV.
Mindyangu yo tala yi tirhisa DSTV na OpenView.